Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Dodge Charger. This is it's a true SE car. It's got all the RT badging, guys, but it's actually it's not a true RT. Great car, though. Known this car actually a long time. I actually sold this car 10 years ago to a local gentleman. It's an 11-year-old body-up restoration. Gentleman, he's had it ever since. Great car. He's in, matter of fact, he's in the military, and unfortunately, the last couple of years, he's kind of been stationed outside of Michigan, so he really hasn't had much, really had much of a chance to drive the car. There's really only about 3,000 miles on this car since it was restored. Again, really nicely done. Factory FJ5 Sublime green car. You can see it's got the black vinyl top, black interior. It's got a great running 440 cubic inch engine with a 6-pack carbs and intake. It's not original for the car. That was added. But cool car. You can see it's got all brand new 20-inch American Racing, that new style wheel on it with all brand new rubber, automatic trans, and really just a good looking Mopar, guys. Unfortunately, you can see what we're dealing with right now. We got that polar air in the air that brought us some snow. So we're not going to be able to actually put it on the road, but we'll start it up, back it up, and pull it forward for you. The hideaway headlights do work. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice on the car. It's an older restoration, so you can, you're going to see a stone peck here or there, but still very, very nice. He kept the car very nice, maintained it well. But I'll tell you right now, guys, it is bitter cold out here today. Glass is nice. You can see the dash in there is nice. Car hits the road good. Vinyl tops in great shape. Again, it is an original SE car. They just added the RT badging. It's got the black tail stripe. Make sure you're really keeping track of our website, guys. I've got about 20 new cars on the way, so bunch of new stuff hitting the site. I'll do the best I can to try to get it advertised as quickly as possible. Car's nice and flat down the sides. But this time of year, Mother Nature kind of dictates what we can do. We haven't been able to do much for the last couple of days, I'll tell you that right now. Again, it's 446 pack. It's got the aluminum intake on it, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes. It's got the Mopar radiator with the shroud. I'm sorry, man, it's hard to catch your breath. It is wicked cold out here. Again, power steering, power brakes, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Good looking car. Yeah, we got hit with about 10 inches of snow here 2 days ago. A-pillar clone, you know, you can pick it a little bit, but still pretty darn nice. Factory mirror. Door handles have been replaced. Trim along the top of that door is nice. Good solid body. I believe this car has all the original body panels still on it. Bucket seats, console, stock steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory tach and gauges. Showing 45,000 on the odometer. I'm sure that's not original. Factory AM radio. I don't think that works. Dual exhaust. 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear end. It's got the old Goodyear polyglass spare. Sorry, man, it is cold. My lips are freezing. Factory jack. You can see they've actually painted it black in here. Original trunk pan. Car's nice underneath, got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Seats are nice. Steering wheel's in good shape. You can nitpick that wood grain on the dash a little bit, but that's just actually a sticker, guys. Whew. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, good running 440, 6-packs tuned good. Car runs good, drives good, nice and tight. Hood mount turn signals work. You can hear that cam. It's got a comp cam in it. Tach works. All your gauges work. Backup lights work. Sorry if you see that, it's just a little something that blew in. I don't think they flip the radio, I don't think it works. No on the radio, no on the blower motor. Wipers work. Again, hood mount turn signals work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, or our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.